Okay, so here is the fully put together project, and it's actually totally updated to 2001 technology. So I changed the servos to some better ones from Amazon. I don't know if they're like really good, but I mean they are newer and they're metal. And then, but this also has gyro on it. So if I turn this on and turn up the gyro, you can see how I see it correct. Got correction there, and it's all controlled variably because I can turn it all the way off. You can see it doesn't do it. It's really neat. Okay, and then so that gyro is in here. You can see the other video, but I tacked in for the auto start, the remote start. I mean, here's the wire here. You have to buy an extension because it plugs into port 4 and then wraps around here, comes through here. And the good thing, this has some room at the bottom, so I'm able to hide it for, you know, a good distance here. And then it comes out, wraps around, and zip ties onto the brace here. And then you can see I tacked in the leads to the electric motor, and then the glow head. And then I wanted to clean this up. You have to make it tighter, you know, with shorter lines, but for right now, that's pretty much how it is. And I made this battery box with the control module in there, the remote auxiliary relay switch. So the low voltage coming from here activates a higher voltage to turn the switch on and to allow this to run. And you can see it's 7.4 volt is 1100 milliamp hours. It's enough to charge it and let it go. If the engine's cold, it's probably better just to use this because you don't need the remote started. You'd save a little bit because I still have it, might as well use it. And then, oh, and I also modded up this. It turned out I cracked the one that came with the 2.5R upgrade engine, and that's no longer here because it was leaking and spraying gas all over. You can see still some residues of that oil and gas here. So I took from the old 0.15, put this in, and also zip tied it here because it comes off, but now it's really nice and tight. So we got that going. Also adjusted the gear, so that's all working now. And let's just plug it in. So to get this to work, you have to just plug the extension and then plug this one here. And you see we have this going. And pop out the exhaust. Got here. Okay. I have to go get the pins. Pause it.